Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Benjamin Ahmed and today I am showing you how to make professional logo just in 5 minutes. So if you are new on my YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest logo tutorials. Now start. Make shock icon with pen tool. Convert into stroke and increase stroke size. Select width profile 1. Go to object and expand appearance. Go to Pathfinder and unite. Make a circle with ellipse tool. Align both files. Select both files and minus front. Color it. Type text in it. I'm using Leoska font, link in description. Here you go and download it. Align with background. Now logo is done. It's easy steps and you make professional logo just in minutes. So friends, if you like a tutorial, so don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for latest logo tutorials. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.